Welcome to the world of Facebook. Facebook is amazing. It's a place where you can connect with friends, family, and even people you haven't met yet. It's a digital world that brings everyone closer together, no matter where they are. It's huge. Imagine a room with billions of people. That's the scale we're talking about. Facebook is like a massive global village where everyone has a voice and a presence. You can meet new people, join groups with shared interests, and participate in discussions that matter to you. That's Facebook. People talk, share, and connect. Whether it's sharing a photo from your latest vacation, posting a status update about your day, or liking a friend's post, Facebook is all about interaction. It's a platform where you can express yourself and see what others are up to. Businesses love Facebook. Why? Because they can talk directly to you. For businesses, Facebook is a powerful tool. It allows them to reach out to their customers in a personal and engaging way. They can share updates, promote products, and even provide customer service right on the platform. It's like having a giant storefront for your business. Imagine having a place where millions of potential customers can see what you have to offer. That's what Facebook provides for businesses. It's a marketplace where businesses can thrive and grow by connecting with their audience. Think of your favorite brands. They're probably on Facebook. From global giants to local shops, brands use Facebook to stay connected with their customers. They post updates, share behind-the-scenes content, and keep their audience engaged with interesting and relevant information. They share new stuff, run contests, and answer questions. Brands use Facebook to create a community around their products and services. They run exciting contests, offer exclusive deals, and provide support to their customers. It's a dynamic space where brands and customers interact in real time. Ready to jump in? Let's go. If you haven't joined Facebook yet, now is the perfect time. It's easy to get started. Just create an account, find your friends, and start exploring. Whether you're looking to connect with loved ones, follow your favorite brands, or discover new communities, Facebook has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Facebook and see what it has to offer. First things first, you need a Facebook business page. This is the foundation of your online presence on Facebook. Without it, you won't be able to access the powerful tools and features that Facebook offers to businesses. So, let's get started on creating one. It's like your profile, but for your business. Think of it as your business's digital storefront. It allows you to showcase your products or services, engage with customers, and build your brand's identity. Unlike a personal profile, a business page provides insights and analytics to help you understand your audience better. Go to facebook.com/business and click Create a Page. It's easy. Follow the prompts and you'll be guided through the process, step by step. Facebook makes it user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can set up your page without any hassle. Choose a category for your business. This helps Facebook understand what your business is about and makes it easier for potential customers to find you. Be specific and select the category that best describes your business. Add a profile picture and a cover photo. Make them eye-catching. Your profile picture is often the first thing people see, so choose an image that represents your brand well. Your cover photo should complement your profile picture and provide additional context about your business. Now fill out your information. This includes your business name, address, phone number, and hours of operation. The more information you provide, the easier it is for customers to reach you and learn about your business. Tell people what your business is all about. Write a compelling description that highlights what makes your business unique. Use keywords that potential customers might use to search for your products or services. Don't forget your website and contact info. Providing your website URL and contact details ensures that customers can easily find more information about your business and get in touch with you. This is crucial for driving traffic to your website and generating leads. Facebook has many tools to connect with people. Think of them as different ways to talk. Posts are like announcements. Share news, photos, and updates. Stories are like quick glimpses into your day. They disappear after 24 hours. Events promote parties, workshops, or anything happening on a specific date. Groups are like clubs. People join to discuss shared interests. Don't just post anything. Have a plan. This is your content strategy. Think about your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What do they like? Post regularly. Consistency is key. Try different types of content, photos, videos, questions. Most importantly, be valuable. Offer helpful tips, fun facts, or behind-the-scenes peeks. Section 5. Grabbing attention content examples. Want to stop people from scrolling? Here are some ideas. Ask questions. What's your favorite summer treat? Share behind-the-scenes photos or videos. Show how your product is made. Run contests and giveaways. Everyone loves free stuff. Share customer testimonials. Let happy customers speak for you. Offer helpful tips and advice. Become a resource in your industry. Section 6. Talking and listening. Engagement strategies. Facebook is a two-way street. Talk and listen. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Show people you care. Ask questions in your posts. Encourage conversations. Use Facebook's polls and Q&A features to get people talking. Don't be afraid to show your personality. People connect with authenticity. Section 7. Measuring your success. Facebook Insights. Facebook tracks everything. Use this data to improve. Go to your page insights to see how many people saw your posts. Check your engagement, likes, comments, shares. See what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Section 8. Common questions answered. In this section, we will address some of the most frequently asked questions about social media marketing. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these answers will help you navigate the complexities of managing your online presence. Q. How often should I post? This is a common question that many business owners and social media managers grapple with. The frequency of your posts can significantly impact your engagement rates and overall success on social media platforms. There's no magic number. Start with a few times a week and see what works best for your audience. It's important to monitor your analytics to understand when your audience is most active and engaged. Over time, you can adjust your posting frequency based on the data you collect. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Posting valuable content that resonates with your audience is more important than posting frequently. Q. What if I get negative comments? Negative feedback is inevitable when you're active on social media. How you handle it can make a big difference in how your brand is perceived. A. Stay professional and polite. Try to address the issue. If it's spam or harassment, you can delete or hide the comment. Responding to negative comments with empathy and understanding can turn a dissatisfied customer into a loyal one. Always acknowledge the issue and offer a solution if possible. This shows that you value your customers' feedback and are committed to improving their experience. Q. Can I use my personal Facebook profile for my business? This is a question that many small business owners ask, especially when they're just starting out and want to save time and resources. A. It's best to create a separate Facebook business page. It looks more professional. A business page offers features that a personal profile does not, such as analytics, advertising options, and the ability to schedule posts. Additionally, it helps to keep your personal and professional lives separate, which can be beneficial for both your privacy and your brand's image. Setting up a business page also allows multiple people to manage the account, which can be helpful as your business grows. By addressing these common questions, we hope to provide you with a clearer understanding of how to effectively manage your social media presence. Remember, the key to success on social media is consistency, engagement, and providing value to your audience. Keep experimenting, learning, and adapting to find what works best for your unique situation. Section 9. Connecting with customers, building relationships on Facebook. Facebook is about more than just selling. It's about building relationships. Respond to messages and comments promptly. Be helpful and friendly. Show your appreciation for your followers. Run contests and giveaways. Use Facebook groups to create a community around your brand. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. Section 10. Advertising on Facebook, reaching more people. Want to reach even more people? Try Facebook ads. You can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Run ads to promote your posts, your page, or your website. Start small and track your results. Facebook advertising can be very effective if done right. Section 11. Staying up to date, Facebook trends. Facebook is constantly changing. Stay ahead of the curve. Follow Facebook's official blog for announcements. Read industry articles and blogs about Facebook marketing. Experiment with new features and strategies. Don't be afraid to try new things. The more you learn, the more successful you'll be.